Hello children, how are you? Today in this video we will learn wild animals, name and their sound. So let's start. This is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. This is hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. This is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. This is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. This is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. This is wolf. W-O-L-F. This is fox. F-O-X. Fox. This is lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. This is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. This is gorilla. G-O-R-I-L-L-A. Gorilla. This is bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. This is an ape. A-P-E. Ape. This is a leopard. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. These are bats. B-A-T-S. Bats. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification. Bye bye.